Hi Landon, I really hope this is going to help you. I'm going to show you how to get into the discussion. You should be able to see this homepage for our class. I am in student view and hopefully this is what you see. When you look at this page, go here to the left and you can literally access the discussion by click right here, discussion. And right here you have icebreaker. Click on it and there are all the interactions of the rest of the class. What you will do once you're here is click on reply. Once you click on reply, you should have a page that open. It's a place where you can write, so it's going to take a couple of minutes. And right here you can write in this. I'm going to, I may not be able to post it because I'm posing as a student, but I will try. But anyway, here you write whatever you need. Hello everyone. Thank you for sharing. I'm just trying to put something in. And once you're done posting everything, you click on post reply and it will show right at the bottom, and it will right here it says test student. When you want to reply to someone, then you just find something that you really think is cool. I'm going to reply to Jonathan, who was born in Costa Rica, which is supposedly a beautiful place. He likes Italian food. Yay! So I'm going to say, I am glad you like Italian food. I'm going to sign, otherwise it looks a little bit strange. And right here, I'm going to post my reply. I really hope this is helpful. Please let me know if it is. I'm going to stop right here and post this.